Happy Monday, friends. I hope you're all doing well. We are on our last week of lessons for Do the Math Fractions. We're on lesson 26 today. And today we're going back to what we did with the other fractions in regards to sharing cookies. So today we're going to first start with sharing cookies among 3 people. So we're going to work on some cookie sharing problems, and we're going to be using the new fractions that we have discussed. So just so you can visualize this being a cookie, let me see, I'm going to put it right here at the cutting board. And what you can see is that this is a whole cookie. It is one whole. Now, if we were to cut it into thirds, basically, to do that, you would just kind of make a Y. Do you see how it looks like a Y? Or an upside down peace sign. So anyway, so this right here is how you would make this into 3 pieces. All right, so today, let's look at this. Suppose we are let me just say, we are going to be working in our workbook as well, and the workbook pages are 49 through 52 today. And so your page 49 is titled 3 People Share 1 Cookie Equally. So we will be doing this page together, and we will also be doing page 50 together. 3 people share 2 cookies equally. And then you are going to be left to do page 51 and 52. So it's page 49 through 52 today. So we're going to first go through and work out how 3 people share 1 cookie. And so we took 1 whole cookie and we divided it into 3 equal parts. Okay? So let's just say we're sharing it among 3, so I need 3 boxes. Okay? So basically, every person would get 1, 1, 1. And guys, we cut it into thirds. So they would basically be getting, excuse me, a third of a piece each, okay? So at the bottom, you would say each person gets a third of a cookie. All right? Okay. So I'm going to give you a second to get that written down as I change the page, because the next page that we're going to do together, which is on page 50, we are looking at 3 people sharing 2 cookies equally. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and reset this page, and we are going to look at, and also erase my annotations. We are going to look at 3 people. So I put 3 boxes, and they're going to be sharing 2 whole cookies. All right. So if 3 people are sharing 2 cookies, well, 3 people, it would make sense to cut it into thirds, okay? So we'll put 1 cookie in each box, and then we will do our second cookie and put it in each box. And remember, each one of these pieces represents 1/3, okay? So how many thirds would each person get? Give you a second to think about that. If you count, there's 2 pieces in there. So it would be 2/3, 2/3, and 2/3. So each person would get 2/3 of a cookie. All right, so that is really simple. These were like the beginning lessons that we did with the other fractions. We're just working with our newer fractions. And so today, what you will do is you will complete page, let me go back. You will be completing pages 51, where 3 people share 4 cookies equally, and 52, where 3 people will share 8 cookies equally. All right, so I want you guys to do the best you can on this. And if you have any questions, I am just an email, text, or phone call away. So feel free to get with me on this. But I think you guys can do this. So you will be sharing between 3 people 4 cookies and 3 people 8 cookies. All right, everyone have a great day, and I will see you soon.